Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by saving your account and preferences. This avoids loss if something goes wrong. Once backed up, force stop PUBG and clear the app cache to remove corrupted temp files. This often exits safe mode. Make sure your device is restarted. A fresh boot reloads system resources and the game. While rebooting, confirm your OS and Play services are current, because outdated components often trigger safe mode fallbacks and performance locks. Next, open PUBG and run the built-in repair or resource check. It fixes missing or corrupt game files without wiping progress. If repair fails, clear app data. Note that you must sign in again, so have credentials ready. Once the base client runs normally, reinstall only official patches or settings. Avoid third-party mods because they often reintroduce safe mode by altering file integrity. This step restores stable game files while protecting your account and progression. To finish, ensure a stable network. High latency can trigger protective safe mode, so switch networks or use wired Wi-Fi if possible. Disable battery savers, app optimizers, and VPNs. They can restrict permissions and cause safe mode fallbacks. If problems persist, perform a clean reinstall. Uninstall, wipe remaining PUBG folders, and reinstall from the official store. As a last diagnostic, log into your account on a different device. If it runs normally, the issue is device-specific, and you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.